Hi, uh, very good day to our instructor. Now, we are from Group 2. We present our topic in subject principle of livestock product. This is our group member, Syed Muhammad Izzat bin Syed Abu Bakar, Fatin Nur Naimah binti Muhammad Nasir, Fazilah binti Ahmad Azali, Muhammad Aisamuddin bin Muhammad Rifai, and Abdul Qayyum bin Hashim. So our topic is intensive livestock farming. For introduction, intensive animal farming or industrial livestock production, also called factory farming by opponent of the practice. Modern form of intensive farming that refer to the keeping of livestock such as cattle, poultry, including in battery cages, and fish at higher stocking densities. That is usually the case with other form of animal agriculture, a practice typically in industrial farming by agribusiness. The main product of this industry are meat, milk, and eggs for human consumption. There are issues regarding whether factory farming is sustainable and ethical. Okay, this is our mind map about intensive farming. It consists of why we need intensive livestock farming, and the others is SWOT analysis, which is content of strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Okay, next, why we need intensive farming livestock? Because firstly, livestock waste causing environmental pollution. The second is causing natural effect to the environment, greenhouse effect. Third, feeding ratio were not uniform. High labor costs. Demand for animal production keep increasing because the increasing of population. Next is unsystematic system management. Meanwhile, in Malaysia, we usually use extensive farming livestock, which is a traditional way to make the production. Livestock waste pollution. Next is low yield production because of slow development in our country, and high land usage. And lastly, disease livestock spread widely and faster because there are no protection among the livestock. Okay, next we will discuss about SWOT analysis. Okay, the first one is strength. The strength of the livestock farming intensive. The first is high yield farming. Second is inbreeding control because of the high technology that we must implement in intensive livestock farming. Third, reduce pollution to the environment. Fourth, protection of livestock. Next is sustaining food supply with the demand. And lastly, regulated farming. We continue to the weakness. The weakness of intensive livestock farming. First, disease easy to spread. Second is animal right. Third, need skillful workers because of the higher technology that we implement to this system. Next is high capital and maintenance costs because this method usually use a higher great technology and advanced technology, so the cost need to maintain and need turnover quickly. And lastly, heavy deforestation occur because we need the new area with affordable facilities. Next is opportunity of intensive farming livestock. First, with the technology that we provide, we can attract more investors to invest in our company and system. Also, no local competitors because in Malaysia, for example, the intensive farming livestock is not implement enough in our country. Third, can be used as agrotourism purpose, which is can edit adding our income. Fourth, easy to produce new breed because of the higher technology, skillful workers that can produce a new breed of livestock. Next is can produce franchising, and lastly, high income production. Lastly is threat of intensive livestock farming. First, high expenses because we provide advanced technology, so we need high expenses also. Next is long-term financial support needed from NGO or government, for example. Third is weather. Weather means natural disaster. We make the location of farming livestock become problem or terrible. Next is slow rate of return of investment. Next, disease outbreak. Disease easy to spread. Lower price of imported meat compared to local meat. And lastly, high international competitors because other countries such as Thailand and Australia already have this system in their country. This is our group member. That's all for our group for topic intensive farming livestock. Thank you.